Hi, welcome to another Mergefly feature tutorial. In this video, we're going to be covering what we call the pull request view, or the page that you use to look at different pull requests and the changes in the pull request. So let's just start from the top left. Up here, we have this called the header bar. It tells you this is to go back to your branch, or not branch, but repository that you're looking at. This will go back to the home page. This can copy the URL, which I will get to. I'll cover in a different video. This it shows you the what the current pull request is. So in this case, I'm merging in demo PR branch into the master branch. And this is the status. So right now this branch has no conflicts and we are ready to merge. And it also shows that it was last synced at, since at 4:33 p.m. If I wanted to click on it, and it would sync up, and if anything had changed, it would pull it down. Generally, this isn't even needed. It will sync, it checks every 25 seconds or so, but also if you enabled webhooks, it's going to update automatically anyway. So most of the time, it just tells you last time something was changed. On the right over here, we have our different commits, which I covered in a different video. And going back over to the left, we have our file tree. So now we're actually looking at the code itself. So if you look at our file tree, these are all the files that were part of this pull request. So we have app.js, two new files in our components, counter.jsx and welcome.jsx, as well as two other files, and service worker was removed. So right now we're reviewing app.js, and we can see right here, the yellow line on the left shows you the diff, or the actual section of changes that were made. And right now we're looking at it from a unified perspective. We know because it has two sets of line numbers. So this is the original line numbers, and these are the new line numbers. On the top right, we can actually change our view. So we have, right now we see we're unify. We can click on split, and right live without refreshing, it'll just show side by side, left and right. This part is movable, so if you want to resize it there. You can see only the old changes or only the new changes, depending on the different pull requests or different complexity of the changes. You may find one more helpful than the other. And you can just go to any file and see the different changes between them. If you want to scroll this way, you can. You can also just click on the arrows on top, and it'll scroll through the tree. And in each of these cases, there's only one change or main set of changes for each file. But if there happen to be more, like a large file with, let's say, multiple blocks or chunks of changes, you can quickly toggle between those chunks or scroll through them with just click of the button here and go through the arrows. So that's the file tree itself. You can also search by clicking the search term. If I click, say, import, and you can see all the instances of the word import right there. On the right side, we have what's called, I guess, the merge view. So you can see if you want to merge this, you have the title of the pull request, you click the message, choose how you want to handle the merging, and you hit merge, and it would merge it right in. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoy Mergefly's pull request view. Until next time, happy merging.